Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. 2020 GT, manual transmission running 93 octane. We just installed the ROUSH Phase 2 750 horsepower supercharger kit. As always, we're going to watch a dyno pull. We'll go down, take a look, because I have Doug with me again, like normal. But hey, if you haven't, hit subscribe, hit notify, because that's how you're going to stay up to date every time throughout the week when I release a cool dyno video. But right now, Doug, let's go check it out. All right, so what's under the hood? Like I said, it's the ROUSH Phase 2, 750 horsepower supercharger, the TVS 2650. It's intercooled. Two basic mods on this stock car right here. Doug, let's come down and take a look. It's the TVS. It's the 2650. It's the ROUSH. It's intercooled. Complete supercharger kit. Extremely popular for 18 to 21 Mustangs. It's such an easy way to add over 200 horsepower. You know, at the rear tires, we're talking well over 500 torque. And then we did install the UPR dual catch cans. We have a driver's side mounted over here. Passenger side mounts up here. But this is kind of becoming the standard recipe on guys guys and girls that have the 18 to 21 Mustang GTs. Maybe you just get the car. You know, you want some simple ways to add power. Well, there's one way right here. It's the ROUSH TVS 2650. So we're going to watch a dyno pull. Okay, rear wheel Dynojet SAE. It's going to lay down over 600 because they all do. Torque's going to come in over 500 because they all do. So check this out. You know, something I didn't mention before is this car does have some Borla mufflers on it. You know, that's not really adding any sort of real horsepower, but gives you that sweet muscle car sound. Doug, take a look. Dynojet SAE, 646 raw horsepower, 7,000 RPM. Torque comes in 556, peaking at 5,200 RPM. And as always, when we go wide open throttle, you know, just before 3,000 RPM, we're at 500 torque to the tires. Doug, take one more look. So basically we have a stock 2020 GT, manual transmission. You know, the appearance of the car is factory, but 750 flywheel horsepower, laying down 646 to the tires. You know, once we measure through the drivetrain loss, over 500 torque to the tires. You gotta love that. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have questions, leave a comment. Maybe you have some questions about this kit, or again, you wonder what it costs to get installed. Email quote@brenspeed.com and check that description. As always, I have links to the parts we just talked about. Thanks for watching.